These are my brand new bushwalking shoes. This is the outfit that I'm gonna go for. Leggings. I like these because they're good hydration for our bushwalk.
Matcha, strawberry.
We have to do one of the top 3. 12 litres, eh? Stephen's that way or that way? My sister just messaged me. She's up and ready to go out and she wants to go on a bushwalk. She wants to go to the Blue Mountain. So I'm going to put on an outfit suitable for bushwalking. These are my brand new bushwalking shoes. So cute looking. I like how they're chunky and I love the color. It's like a beige taupe. And the brand is Tiva. So I'm gonna put these on, but I'm also gonna bring some slides for just in case I need to wear these in. I don't want to be doing a bushwalk with blisters. So I'm gonna put these on and wear them until we arrive there and see how I'm feeling in them. And then if they're starting to cause issues, I'll know that I need to wear them in before I actually go bushwalking in them. Okay, this is the outfit that I'm gonna go for. Simply a long sleeved top and leggings with, I'm not sure which one to go for yet, but I'm going to wear one of these to keep warm. I've got this hat, this bag, which is potentially hands-free, and just some similar coloured socks to wear with my hiking boots. Okay, so this is the bushwalking outfit. As you can see, I love neutrals, beige, taupe, mocha, coffee, more beige. So hat, a warm vest, but not too warm. My arms and this is out so that I can stay cool as well as being warm, if you know what I mean. Leggings, I like these because they have, what are these called? These lines, kind of like corduroy, can't remember what they're called. The socks match the shoes. So we're going to go to the Blue Mountains and do a bushwalk. I think I might get us some water. I just have to find those cute matching glass drinks things. Yeah, my glass straws aren't long enough, so I'll need to buy some larger glass straws. But yeah, this is good hydration for our bushwalk.
Yeah, fair. I scanned my stomach.
2 beef sausage rolls, brown sugar iced shaken espresso, matcha strawberry,
Lactose free.
yeah, matcha green tea frappuccino.
Can you please open that for me? I'm just kidding.
Oh, it's the 2 dots above the...
We have to do one of the top 3 because it's a return.
We'll see how we feel after we get to Horseshoe Falls.
Okay. I can hear a falls, can you? Is that what that is?
I don't know. Oh, it's a creek.
Oh, a crick. Did you know some people say crick?
Oh, they need to check themselves.
When they say crick, they really feel like they're saying creek.
Let me do it myself.
Really cold. Hey, if we walk like a good pace, we'll warm up, hey? We have to be careful of leeches, eh? Remember that time? Look. Fluffy. Yeah. I do weird stuff like that. No, I don't do that. I hold my boot when I run because it feels really annoying. And they wobble all around and trying to run.
Oh, so steep and slippery.
Is that what's under the surface? Yeah. Great summer land. Does that song talk about how it's red coloured?
I don't know.
Something like that.
Be careful.
Okay. Look how clear the water is down there.
Yeah,
It's just completely clear. I think it's just rock. Is that just rock underneath and that's why it's so clear? Look at the crisscross patterns on the water. We definitely haven't been this way yet. I think I'm going to go over. Under. Yeah, this is giving me trauma from that leech walk.
Yeah.
That way or that way?
Maybe let's peek down here.
Okay. If it was warm, it'd be so nice to
How
swim.
pretty it looks.
Yeah. It's that. I figured out what that sound is because if you go down there and go, the white part is making the sound and it's echoing off the cave. A secret place to have a picnic. Looks like little tails. Jack on a beanstalk or something. Oh my gosh, it's so tall. It's a rotten piece of wood that's still there only because the vine's holding onto it. That's cool. What are these? Yeah. Yeah, this is really comfortable because we're on this hill.
Oh, there's more.
Where? They look like pine cones. Oh, they look like The Last of Us.
Yeah.
Do you think it looks kind of glowy? Is that the right word? Fluorescent.
Yeah.
I want to be the very best, like no one ever was. To train them is my cause. Is that it?
Train them. Yeah, yeah.
Pokemon, gotta catch 'em. Oh. Far and wide. Inside. Pokemon. Gotta catch 'em up. Cool. It's so like emotional, eh? And they're not even real. Cool. Pokemon, oh so true. Our cards will pull us through. You teach me and I'll teach you. Pokemon. Gotta catch 'em up. Pokemon.
I like the sketch it made itself.
Oh, that's nice. And this is very picturesque. So muddy. Wow! Ew! Why? Why? Is that what it's called? Blue Mountains Pies?
Hopefully they let us go some pies.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I know now. Yeah, well. Do you like that flavor, which is?
The cockroach cookie? Like this.